Samsung Galaxy Fit3, your ultimate fitness companion. Hey tech fans, are you ready to take your fitness journey to the next level? If so, let me introduce you to the Samsung Galaxy Fit3, a powerful and stylish fitness tracker that's designed to help you reach your goals and live a healthier lifestyle. This little device packs a punch, delivering a ton of advanced features that give you valuable insights into your health and well-being. The design: sleek, lightweight, and functional. The first thing you'll notice about the Galaxy Fit3 is its sleek and modern look. It's incredibly lightweight and comfortable, so you can wear it all day long without even realizing it's there. The vibrant AMOLED display is clear and easy to read, even in direct sunlight, and the touch controls are responsive and intuitive. Plus, it's water resistant up to 50 meters, so you can swim, shower, and train in the rain without worrying about damaging your tracker. Fitness tracking: your personal trainer. The Galaxy Fit3 has an incredible array of fitness tracking capabilities. It automatically recognizes and tracks over 100 different workouts, from running and cycling to yoga and weightlifting. It also monitors your heart rate, sleep patterns, stress levels, and more. And with built-in GPS, you can map your outdoor workouts and get accurate distance and pace readings. The insights you get from the Galaxy Fit3 are truly impressive. You can see detailed metrics on your workouts, including calories burned, duration, and intensity. The sleep tracking feature gives you insights into your sleep stages, helping you understand your sleep quality and how you can improve it. And the stress tracking feature lets you know when you need to take a break and practice some relaxation techniques. Health features: beyond fitness. The Galaxy Fit3 isn't just about fitness, it's about your overall health and well-being. It includes features like a blood oxygen sensor, which can help you monitor your respiratory health. It also has a workout reminder feature to keep you motivated, and with connected compatible devices, you can receive notifications from your smartphone. Battery: long-lasting and reliable. No one wants a fitness tracker that dies halfway through a workout. Luckily, the Galaxy Fit3 has a remarkably long-lasting battery. It can last for up to an entire week on a single charge, depending on your usage. That means you can track your workouts and activities for days on end without having to worry about recharging. The Samsung ecosystem: seamless connectivity. The Galaxy Fit3 works seamlessly with other Samsung devices, like your Samsung smartphone. When connected, you can view your notifications, control your music, and even reply to messages right from your wrist. Plus, with the Samsung Health app, you can access all your health and fitness data in one place, making it even easier to track your progress and stay motivated. Customization: make it your own. The Galaxy Fit3 is designed to fit your personal style. You can choose from a variety of band colors and customize the watch face to suit your preferences. Whether you prefer a sporty look or something more classic, the Galaxy Fit3 can adapt to match your vibe. The verdict: a must-have for fitness enthusiasts. If you're serious about your fitness and health, the Samsung Galaxy Fit3 is a fantastic investment. It's packed with advanced features, has a sleek and comfortable design, and provides you with actionable insights to achieve your goals. So, if you enjoyed this introduction to the Samsung Galaxy Fit3, don't forget to check out more videos like this on my playlist. There are even more tech reviews and cool features waiting for you.